Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how we can turn on the two-step verification in OnlyFans. So what you want to do is just go right top corner to your profile, then just click here on settings. When you're in settings, you're gonna see right here the security. Right here, click on it, and voila, you have options. So you get the two-step verification, and now don't install Google, okay, and you just copy the key here. It's like pretty simple, and this is how we do it. So, and this is how you can enable the two-step verification. So again, you're in home, then just click simply to your profile, go to settings, notifications, security, and to enable it. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.